now they are not going as Sundowns SCRZ.
Yeah.
They are going as underdogs.
They've never been underdogs.
Exactly.
But this time they are underdogs.
No.
Okay.
Exactly.
No.
They're
Okay.
not.
Yabona, one
Wait,
thing-
wait,
Their favourite
wait,
example.
no, wait,
yaphuma ku-final
Yes.
last year.
wait,
Yes.
mamel. Last season, everyone besibheka amagame eSundowns because besi-support.
Yeah.
Right now, akunamuntu give
you know, let me
anything
tell you the
except for
difference.
Sundowns fans.
Yeah,
Let me tell you the
So
difference.
now everyone under, and you'll be shocked mabe ngawina. Then that's when everyone
No.
will start
me
saying,
tell-
"Oh,
no, let me tell you the
Sundowns, our
difference.
team has won."
Let me tell you the difference. Yeah, last year and this year. Remember, last year it wasn't only Sundowns that was fighting. The Pirates was there.
Yeah.
Fana nokuthi if Sundowns and the Chiefs is there, you're gonna be aware of two teams there. The attention of many South African fans will know. Yeah, will know which okay.
Finally,
But the season before that,
sonke sobe staff ukuthi okay iSundowns idlala kanjani manje cause let's say manje today Pirates was playing, Pirates win, kusasa you'll want to see ukuthi iSundowns izoyenza kanjani, will be aware. But manje just cause iSundowns E1, no one is paying attention to what it is doing there.